How to fix sorry there was a problem with your request while logging into your Instagram account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar and type Instagram. Now click on search at the bottom right corner. Tap on Instagram and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now log in into your account. Now on this page, simply enter your email address. Now once you enter the email address, don't enter the password. Simply tap on login. Now tap on forgotten password. Now enter your email address. Now tap on continue. Now wait for some time. Now go back to the home screen. Now open up Gmail application. Now find the email. Now open up Instagram email and copy the code. Now go back to Instagram and paste the code here. Now simply tap on continue. Now select your Instagram account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.